How to enable portrait orientation lock on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up any application on your phone. For example, Calendar. Once you're here, turn your iPhone sideways to rotate the screen. As you can see, you are now viewing the Calendar app in landscape mode. Now, go to the top right corner and swipe down on your screen to open the Control Center. The Control Center provides quick access to frequently used settings and apps. Over here, tap on the Portrait Orientation Lock icon to toggle it on. When the icon is highlighted, the screen is locked in portrait orientation and is not free to rotate. Now, go back to the Calendar app again. And then, simply turn your iPhone sideways to check if you can view the app in landscape mode. As you can see, the screen does not rotate. Following these steps, you can easily enable portrait orientation lock on iPhone.